Hello everyone, it's Nini at Remote Philippines Jobs, and today we have Ameline, one of our virtual assistants, and we are going to do some interviews, and here she's going to give us some testimonies. So, Ameline, are you ready?
Yeah,
But before we
very
start,
good.
can you first introduce yourself?
I'm Emmeline. I'm from Cebu. I just got hired last August 25 this year, so it's almost 3 months already. So I'm
Congratulations. What is your work or your job?
right now I am a edit videos and I do also SMM.
Yes, so that's good to hear. So,
Mm.
um, I'll now going to start your questions and interview for you. So my first question is,
Okay.
how did you hear about Remote Philippines Job? Or saan mo to nakita? Or saan mo to nalaman?
Actually, I saw the advertisement on Instagram and Facebook as well, and then I searched the site, the page, and then nag-apply na ako doon. So,
Hmm.
finalo ko lang yung instructions kung anong nakalagay doon. So, medyo nawindang ako doon sa assessment online kasi mahaba-haba siya ng konti. So,
Pero
tapos,
madali ba?
oh, madali lang naman siyang sagutan. Tapos, nag-message na ako doon sa messenger nila. Nag-reply naman agad.
So before joining the Remote Philippines Job, ano ba yung first na job mo or before yung job mo, before applying?
I work as a data analyst before in a corporate industry. So, nag-close kasi yung company namin. So, I decided to transition into a virtual assistant. So, yun yung yun yung time talaga na nag-decide na ako na mag-VA na ako.
And it's a good thing na dito ka sa amin napunta.
Oh,
So
yes.
welcome to Remote Philippines Job.
Uh,
Okay, so what made you decide to apply, especially na ang daming scams online, di ba? So what urged you to apply,
mm.
especially sa Remote Philippines?
Actually, oh, actually nag-ano lang talaga ako, guts ko na lang talaga na mag-take exam doon sa sa site nila. And then nag-reply naman sila tapos nag-schedule sila for interview. So doon ko nalaman na hindi talaga siya scam.
Di ba? It's something that we should take a risk, di ba? Rather than lose a
Mm.
chance. Okay?
Yeah.
So, can I ask kung paano yung application process mo or how was the interview?
First is doon sa site ng assessment online. And then after that, nag-send ako ng message doon sa messenger nila. And nag-reply naman yung Facebook, yung messenger. And then schedule for interview. Then after that, hindi ako na doon sa chat support. So binigyan nila ako ng another chance as a virtual assistant. So in-interview ulit ako ni Miss Mary. So after few days, doon na laman ko na na-hired ako.
Di ba, it's a good thing na kahit na hindi mo alam na di ka na pass this kind of work, they can also give
Mm.
you some options, di ba? So, hindi ka
Mm.
talaga mawawalan ng opportunities dito sa Remote Philippines Job.
Yes. Uh, yun
I-ask ko
talaga
lang.
yung ano.
Ask ko lang din, how long does it take for you before ka mag-start ng work? Like after ng interview mo?
Yung interview ko, nag-wait lang ako ng mga 1 week. And then after a week, binigyan na nila ako ng task. Parang competition yun eh, kung sino yung makagawa ng video. So, sabi ni
Hmm.
ni Kat dati na ako daw yung unang naka-send ng video kaya dun ako yung napili sa sa posisyon
So,
na to.
so it's a good thing na ikaw yung nauna kasi ikaw na ngayon yung magiging editor namin dito sa Remote Philippines Jobs.
Ah,
So can I ask, as an editor na video, how does a typical day look for you? Like sa pang-araw-araw, ano yung mga specific jobs na ginagawa mo? O yung mga
ah,
routine mo?
First, yung ginagawa ko talaga is edit videos para posting dun sa account natin like sa TikTok, sa Instagram at sa Facebook. Then after that, mag-SMM na ako. Doon ako na ipopost yung mga videos. Tapos yung ibang mga videos, sinisend ko kay Marivic for
Okay.
posting din. Mhm.
So, do you work alone or with a team?
I work with the team with Marivic.
So, nagka-collab kayo.
And also with you, the videos. Yes.
Yeah, so we work as a team dito. So, collab tayo.
Mhm.
So, as an editor and also as working as with a team, how can you describe our company culture? Like, ano yung masasabi mo regarding our environment?
Actually, chill lang talaga siya. Especially yung client natin is very accommodating po sila, and then hindi din ano din sila, nagbibigay din sila ng compliment sa'yo if you're doing a good job, and if medyo tagilid ka sa ginawa mo, magko-comment naman sila, nagbibigay sila ng suggestions, which is good para may improvement naman tayo.
Yeah. So,
Mm.
parang constructive criticism, no? So that we can grow both
Oo.
personally and also professionally as a worker. So, since you've joined
Yes, that's true.
last August, have you learned some new skills after joining?
Mhm.
Meron ka bang
Yes,
skills?
actually a lot of it. Kasi video editing is not my thing talaga
Yeah,
because I'm into data.
not your forte.
So marami akong na learn. Oh yeah. So marami talaga akong na learn sa Canva and sa CapCut actually, and sa SMM also. So first time ko nag-handle ng mga accounts, social media accounts.
So na ano, parang naging techno-savvy ka na kasi alam mo paano gumamit ng Canva, ng CapCut, kasi editor ka na eh. So you have a broad
Yes.
knowledge na sa mga different kinds of tools. So what's some things that surprise
Yes.
you after joining? So ano yung surprise sa'yo na, ay, alam ko pa na gumamit na ganito, ganito, ganyan.
Actually challenging sa support ko. Kasi nga, doon sa previous job ko, malayo siya sa ginagawa ko. So, parang china-challenge ko din yung self ko na to learn more about social media and also video editing, na marami pala akong matututunan. Akala ko kasi is doon na ako, ganun na yung
Yeah.
ano
Like
ko.
limited na lang yung work mo
Oo,
nun.
oo. So, marami pa pala akong learn.
So parang it's me versus me. Kasi
Yes,
challenge yourself to do better. Kasi hindi mo naman malalaman if you don't try, di ba? So it's a
yes,
good
that's
if
true.
you try it and take a risk.
Mm-hmm.
So ask ko, how does it feel working home or remotely? Kung ano yung feeling na nag-work ka lang sa bahay?
Masasabi ko talaga na work-life balance na talaga siya sa akin. Kasi hindi ko na hindi ko na kailangan gumising ng maaga, kasi dati gumigising ako 4 a.m. at saka
Ang
uuwi
ganda.
ako ng 8, at saka uuwi ako ng 8 p.m. So ngayon kasi na matagal na akong gigising, yung
Hawak mo na
time
yung
ko,
oras mo.
oo,
Yeah.
hawak ko na yung oras ko. So yun, very comfortable talaga siya sa side and convenient siya sa side ko.
Convenient, yeah. It's one of our best thing that we can have is yung convenient talaga yung time kasi handle natin yung time natin eh, 'di
Mm,
ba?
yeah.
So I'll ask you one more thing. If someone watching this and think na legit ba to? O legit ba to yung nagsasabi natin o yung remote Philippines job? Ano yung masasabi mo sa kanila to think
Um,
na totoo talaga ito?
ang sabihin ko sa kanila is, dapat nila i-try muna. Dapat hindi nila i-judge yung isang, yung hiring or yung company na yun before they tried it. Kasi hindi natin alam kung legit talaga siya or scam if you haven't tried it yet.
Yeah, exactly my point. So dapat they should take a risk or kahit malang try lang Manila kasi there's no bad in trying, di ba?
Yes, that's
So my last questions that I'll ask is a fast talk. Okay, so are you a night owl or in an early bird?
I'm a night owl,
A night
actually.
owl. Parang nocturnals ka talaga na magpupulot ka.
Oo.
More people are more productive kapag nighttime eh. Di ba?
Oo, yeah. Totoo yun. Mm.
So, yeah, that's it. Ameline, thank you for being present today and having your time here to be interviewed.
Mhm.
And did a great job. And congratulations on your hiring process.
Mhm.
And yeah,
Thank you
I
also.
hope we get along. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you for having me as well. Bye-bye.